A Muslim man has approached the Supreme Court seeking a declaration that the Indian Succession Act should apply to him instead of Muslim personal law, also known as Sharia law, when it comes to inheritance and succession matters. This plea has been filed by Naushad KK, who is a practicing Muslim. A bench led by Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Justice Sanjay Kumar heard the matter. During the hearing, the court noted that a similar case titled Sufia PM versus Union of India is already pending. In that case, the petitioner has renounced Islam and is asking for the Indian Succession Act to apply rather than Muslim personal law. Senior advocate Prashant Padmanabhan, appearing in the Sufia PM case, told the court that while both cases raise questions about the application of succession law, they are different in nature. In Naushad's case, the petitioner continues to follow Islam, while in the earlier case, the petitioner has left the religion. Padmanabhan also pointed out that another related case filed by the Quran Sunnat Society in 2016 is still pending. That case challenges Section 58 of the Indian Succession Act, which currently excludes Muslims from its scope. In the Sufia PM matter, the union government had informed the court in October 2024 that it is up to the parliament to decide whether Muslims should be brought under the Indian Succession Act. So far, the court has not taken a final view in any of these cases, but they could have a wide implication on how inheritance laws apply to individuals from different states in India. Stay tuned.